What if I told you the microwave was discovered by accident? In the next few seconds, you'll learn how a melted chocolate bar revolutionized cooking. Percy Spencer was working on radar technology during World War II. While testing a magnetron, he noticed something surprising. The chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Intrigued, he decided to test other foods. Popcorn kernels popped. An egg exploded. Realizing the potential, he built the first microwave oven. This accidental discovery changed kitchens forever. Can you imagine life without the microwave today? What's the coolest accidental invention you know of? Let us know.